everybody, again welcome back to our channel. Today also we have brought you another tutorial video where I will be showing you how you can actually verify your Rumble account. But before we start with our video, do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, we will simply just dive into our video now. So to do so, first of all, you will simply go to your phone browser and get logged in this rumble.com, as you can see over there in the search bar. Then once you are in this kind of interface, simply tap on your profile icon on your top right corner below three dot icon, and then you can see this option called account options below. Tap on that option, and since you are in your mobile phone, what you will see this expand option given below. Simply tap on that expand option here. Then finally you will be able to see this option called account verification right over there, right? Simply tap on that account verification. Here you can see this kind of interface. You can see not verified written over there, right? So what you can do is you can simply add in your number, and then if it's a mobile phone, simply tap on this text me option. If it's your landline number which you would prefer, tap on this call me over there. Then we will have to enter the code which we would receive after we added the number over there. Simply add in your code, tap on this validate code option given below. You can see the number has been verified. Tap on OK over here. As you can see above, my account is verified over there, and yeah, I am now good to go. So you can simply just go to your homepage and do whatever you would like to now. So yeah guys, this is how you can simply do it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys, and yeah, thank you so much for watching our video till the end, and I'll see you guys next time.